Well, actually what it was about 4 years into my career, I decided to start farming the neighborhood that I live in. Farming is when you take an area that you want to specialize in and you start marketing to that area, start putting your name out there, and start listing and selling homes. And a great agent can capture about 20% of a market. I lived in Circle C at the time. I started with it's a 5,000 home neighborhood. I started with 400 homes. I started sending out postcards. I started knocking on doors. I started calling people. I got my first listing. I did a massive open house. Then I got another listing. And then the next year, I decided to market to the entire neighborhood, 5,000 homes. So we did 8 mailings over 8 weeks, and I went out for 3 months every Wednesday and Thursday from about 4 till 8 p.m. and knocked on doors. And it wasn't to say, hey, are you looking to buy or sell real estate? I was just introducing myself and getting my name out there, because in real estate, I want to be like, I want people to, top of mind. I want people that when they think real estate, they think Chad Goldwasser.